It's November 15th, 2022. So you can see the garden has changed quite a lot. These moss rose is pretty much dead. Raspberry, asparagus, mulberry. Here's the rhubarb, and then the blueberry, grape, and peony. They're all going dormant now. Lavender, it's still flowering, but the flowering is definitely slowing down. And over here is the tomato. You can see all the leaves have turned brown. Same goes to the pepper. All the pepper leaves have shriveled. The fruits themselves are still hanging around. They'll still look pretty good. I think it has frozen probably a few days ago overnight. That's why the leaves are all dead. The beet, it's still looking good. It's a very hardy plant. And same goes to broccolini. It's a hardy plant too. You can see some new flowers forming over here. And here's the saffron. As you can see, a lot more of the bulbs have sprouted. Doesn't look like they're gonna flower though. And this cluster over here are still flowering. Lots more saffron to harvest. And this plant over here, I've been calling it ground cherry. It's actually not ground cherry. I'll show you why in a little bit. Here you can see some more flowers forming. This flower has started to open. And on this plant is the oldest flower that has completely opened. And based on the flower structure and color, it's actually called bladder cherry, or Japanese lantern, or Chinese lantern. And over here's the mini oncidium, one of them. The flowers have started to fade, as you can see. However, this cluster is still young. Here's the lady slipper orchid. And here's the other mini oncidium. Flowers have just started to open. You can see a lot of flower buds opening. So I'm gonna put this on display. Lots of flowers this year. And another orchid is the mini dendrobium. Here you can see the flowers have also opened. And yeah, a lot of flowers from this plant as well. These are all gonna open pretty soon. And this is the harvest I did today. A few Cuban sweet pepper, all green still, and quite a few jalapeno, kind of small. But yeah, this is probably gonna be the last harvest of the year.